Ramjam, we cut dubs, not from only Jamaica and Trinidad. I am going to play the first artist from Kenya. We have an artist from Kenya, Africa, called Stoneface Priest.
When you want for ReggaeMatic sound family into Trinidad and Tobago to Toronto,
we reach.
that was it, you want a roots and culture sound. A Stoneface Priest, me tell them say, all them strong down. ReggaeMatic sound, them a touchdown. All them strong down. ReggaeMatic sound in a your town.
Welcome.
Let me take this time to invite all music lovers to ReggaeMatic sound tonight. We will be rapping till broad daylight.
Just in case. Just in case.
In a this a class tonight, ReggaeMatic in the fight. Gonna kill Indians from left to right. Class tonight, ReggaeMatic in the fight. Kill jump and son, boy, it's alright.
This is Al Campbell. This is Al Campbell. ReggaeMatic.
When ReggaeMatic play, all the jump and them a go get thrown down.
You see one thing we sure about. You see one thing ReggaeMatic sure about.
One thing I can do, one thing I can say. ReggaeMatic can lead the way. All of them are sit just a dance from 19 there. When ReggaeMatic sound plays, so one thing I can do, one thing I can say. ReggaeMatic can lead the way. All of them are sit just a dance from 19 there. When ReggaeMatic sound plays, night time when I lay my head to rest.
Them say two more already, you know.
It take that minute.
They said two more already, you know. Ladies, empresses, I have a special artist for you to play tonight. ReggaeMatic, you see ReggaeMatic? We are a roots and culture song. We are not all of this killing thing. We are a roots and culture song. Alex, drop it! This is Desiree!
From Trinidad to Tobago to Toronto.
Oh God! What do people want?
To be servants of chains of immanence and gifts. Got to freeze up whatever values.
What do people want?
Teaching is teaching and also say their prayers. Roots and culture we want. ReggaeMatic sound we want. Roots and culture we want. ReggaeMatic sound we want.
People, final entry. You have a special something for you tonight, you know. Only just hear reggae only. This is the first time ReggaeMatic song is going to play an artist like this. We carried you all to Africa, we carried you all to England, we carried you all to Trinidad, we carried you all to Jamaica. Right now, we're going right up the road in Arima. This is ReggaeMatic song.
Yo! Born together in the Viking in dust, the ReggaeMatic sound. The jungle sound from down in the country. The jungle, the forest, the forest.
You see country people there?
Jano, Nico, the father mystical.
I want to listen to this one good, eh?
Pina, Pleasantville, Marabella.
You know what we come to do?
With excellence. More things when we step in Trinidad, Tobago, Toronto. Roots and culture sounds on the ground. Hey, somewhere will die.
You know what we come to do?
Yeah. Watch it. We come to take over town. We come to kill every sound. We come to take over sound. So cut up from a reggae sound. Yeah, my brother. Tell all the someone moving.
Listen lyrics.
Matic come out of Boston place.
called Welcome to Rock Jam. Give it up, give it up.